Welcome back, beauties. It's your girl Abby here. If you're new to my channel, so today we're gonna be washing our hair. Today it's been 6 days after relaxer day, so we're doing hair wash today. I'll be using these products: silicone mix bamboo treatment, shampoo, conditioner, and their leave-in conditioner. And I'll be using my argan oil serum. So someone will ask me, what are these bamboo shampoo and conditioner? So bamboo shampoo and conditioner products are infused with bamboo silica or bamboo fibers, and it basically help with your hair growth, and it gives you very deep cleanse. It helps to deal away with dandruff and itchy scalp. It helps to eliminate pollutants that leaves your scalp very sensitive to hinder hair growth. So basically this product moisturizes your hair. It leaves your hair shiny. It helps with hair growth, which is very important to me. So I felt like sharing this with you guys, and we're gonna go ahead and shampoo review all together, tell you how it feels basically. So we're gonna be shampooing twice, and trust me, this shampoo actually feels not jelly, but it feels like silicone, to be honest. It doesn't really lather a lot. Probably my hair was actually dirty, but I kind of like the feel. It is not your ordinary cleansing shampoo or any typical shampoo. It feels more like silica or silicone, let's say. And yeah, so I'm gonna wash my hair twice. I'll be engaging more on the scalp because I've been itching my scalp terribly. It's been 6 days, imagine, after relaxer. So we're gonna go ahead, shampoo twice, rinse, and then go on with the conditioner treatment, right? So now I'm gonna be applying my bamboo treatment conditioner, and I'll be leaving this. It says to leave this for 3 minutes, but I always do stay longer, and I don't know why. So I'm just gonna apply generous amount in the hair and leave it. I think I left it for about 15 to 30 minutes, right? So I was filming with my daughter, so yeah, we're having conversation and all that. So I'm just gonna leave it for that amount of minutes, and we're gonna go ahead, rinse or wash. So conditioning treatment is done its job, and I'm simply cleansing all the products from my hair, and we're gonna go ahead and basically blow dry. And guys, I didn't really know what to do with my hair. I have a problem like styling my own hair. If it's my client's hair, it's easy for any style to come to me, like pop in my head and just do it. But when it comes to my hair, oh my god, it's a nightmare. So I actually just blow dry and ended up putting up in a little ponytail, and that's basically all I did. Yeah, so my hair feels very soft. My hair feels lively, let me say. I just like the feel, to be honest. My hair feels so much alive. I don't even have the words to describe it. And yeah, so I'm simply just rinsing thoroughly. As you can see, I'm engaging my scalp, making sure all residue is off my hair, right? So I was actually having conversation with my daughter. My daughter was filming for me, and guys, you see, quarter of my head is gone. This is what happens when you let babies help you out. So after 24 hours later, I'm joking. I can't remember how many hours I was away. I mean, I had to go attend to my little boy. So I'm applying the leave-in silicone bamboo conditioner. And guys, my hair is all dried up. but it's okay. We're gonna work it out. I so naturally I just like to leave my hair after every wash to air dry. For me, it just minimizes the amount of heat I'm gonna be applying on my hair. So I'm applying this money. This is a very new product for me. I also saw this on a YouTuber's link. I like to try these products on my hair so I can actually recommend to you guys and also recommend to my clients, right? So it's a money leave-in spray. It is good for blowout. It's like a heat protector, and it's also a leave-in spray. It actually helps with hair growth and hair damage. If you got hair breakage, it actually helps the hair breakage to stop. So all we're gonna be doing is to just blow dry. Like I said, I usually don't really know what to do with my hair, so just simply blow out and my hair ends up in a rubber band and in a little ponytail. That's basically all we're gonna be doing. Yeah, so yeah, and I think I'll be trimming my hair as well. I just wanted to give it a little trim so it have some form of a body or shape, because at the minute I have several different lengths. I can actually describe it. So but I managed to cut off some dead ends, and yes, we're gonna be doing protective styling pretty soon, and I'll be sharing with you what I'm doing, so just wait for it. And thank you. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do subscribe, like. We are a fashion, beauty, DIYs channel. I'm a mom, so anything that happens, as life goes on, I'm going to be sharing with you my experiences, especially with my hair. We are on relaxer hair journey. It's been pretty tough, to be honest. When you are so much used to natural hair for a very long time, it's pretty hard to just go into a whole different way of styling. But you know what, we are good, and I believe my hair is growing, it's getting better. And I don't know if you have any tutorial requests you want to request, if you have any questions at all, if you have any problems with your hair you want us to solve together, if you also have any contribution what I can be doing, product I can be using. Basically, we are in a learning process, we are in a growing process, right? So thank you again for watching. Do subscribe if you haven't subscribed, become a part of my nation. It's your girl Abby. Yes, so this is my hair. My hair is actually growing long. Now I'm applying my argan oil serum, and I'm applying generously amount of it, right? I just wanted this serum to go in every corners of the hair. So yeah, you might want to take your time if you're doing this. And one thing I like about serums is it doesn't actually wet your hair. It doesn't leave your hair flat. It still leaves your hair bouncy and full. Unlike other oils, it will just weigh your hair down and your hair will be flat. So I like to use serums, and I'm gonna go in also on my scalp with my Braiding Potion, and we're gonna decide to trim some hair. So this is where the confusion starts. I was wondering either to just leave my hair out in a little ponytail or go ahead and trim my hair. And yes, we trim it. Like I said before, I honestly don't usually know what to do after hair wash. I just feel like leaving my hair free, leave my hair just to be. But I actually didn't like the ends. So we're gonna be trimming, and guys, this is how best I can actually do this job. So have a look. The ends of my hair is very bad, very, very bad. If I really wanted to have a proper cut, I would have to go like about 2 inches, down the length. But yeah, today I don't feel ready for that. I really don't feel ready for that. So yeah, so this is how best I can actually trim my ends. I'm just cutting off the dead ends, and just to leave my hair in shape and also to leave my hair healthy. Hair trimming does help your hair to also grow, and it leave your hair more lively. So this is all I've got for you now. I'm simply gonna oil my scalp, and that is all we're doing, people, nothing more. So I'm applying my brilliant potion. I'll be leaving links in the description below. This oil contains all the nutrients or the good stuff to grow your hair, and also to seal in oil and moisture. So thanks again for watching. Until we meet next time, I love you guys. Bye bye.